Good day, people. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Timothy Olaiwola. I'm a social media manager and Instagram strategist. I help busy business owners to crush their business goals on social media. If you are just coming to my channel, welcome. I share videos on social media marketing, social media management, and general social media tips that can help you to hit your business goals on social media and also that of your clients. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming. Thank you so much for coming. I really do appreciate. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to be consistent with your social media content. Okay, let's go right into it. Number one, create a social media content calendar. So a social media content calendar is an overview of what you want to post on social media, and that includes your image, that includes your captions, that includes your call to actions, that includes what's going to be your link in bio or link in whatever, depending on the social media platform. That includes everything you're going to just post on that particular social media channel. That and there are various tools that you can use to create social media content calendar. We have Google Sheet, we have Airtable, we have Trello, we have Canva, we have Meta Business Suite, we have Meta Creator Studio. They also have ingrained with it social media content calendar as well as scheduling tools. So after creating your social media content calendar, you want to have your social media content workflow. So your workflow is like a guide, a step-by-step guide on how that content is going to look like. Let's say, for instance, you want to create a carousel. Your workflow is going to go thus. The first slide is going to be how to be a Superman. Slide 2, this is what will be there. A Superman is XYZ. Slide 3 is Superman. To be a Superman, I'll do X. Slide 4, to be a Superman, I'll do V. So you basically itemize what's going to be each of this slide, and if it's a video, you're going to write out what you're going to say in this particular video, how this video is going to look like, or what other video you're trying to copy from. So that's a social media content workflow. Excuse me. So after creating this workflow, then you schedule this content. I said schedule, sorry. Number 3 is batch create. So after you have the content calendar, you have the content workflow. The next thing is to batch create. So if there are carousels, you choose a particular day where you design your carousels or your images, or select the particular product photo that you want to do. After creating the images, also choose another day to shoot your videos and the environment you're going to use. So you shoot your videos, you design your graphics. So after designing them, the next thing to do is to schedule them. Use any scheduling tool that's of your choice. You have a whole number of scheduling tools. In my previous video, I'll link it by this side here. I created a video on best tools you can use as a social media manager, and in the video I listed a number of scheduling tools. You can just visit the video. I'll put the link in the description button too. Now after I've done all of this process and it's not still working, then what is the problem you are facing is procrastination. And to beat procrastination, what you need is an accountability partner. Simply put, an accountability partner is more like a friend in this industry that also hold your hand, someone you're accountable to. Like you tell this person, okay, today I want to do XYZ, or this week I want to achieve XYZ. If I don't do this, I'm going to give you this money, or do this to me, or something like that. Do you get it? So an accountability partner is someone you're accountable to, so that whatever you write down, whatever you decide to do, you're accountable to the person to ensure that what you are really achieving all that you put in mind. Okay, I'm putting my notes here. Now another thing is that you should determine your why. If the cost of not posting is not great, it's not much, then you'll not be motivated to create content. For instance, if you're a content creator and this is the means by which you generate income for yourself and used to pay bills and do a lot of other things, you know that if you don't post, or if you don't show up, then you're able to generate as much income as you would. So for such type of person, you know that the cost is that you'll be able to pay your bills and you'll be an embarrassment to yourself. Now for such type of individual, you know that he's motivated, whether there's motivation or not, he just has to show up with his content. But if you are treating social media and posting, it's just like an hobby. I mean, nothing goes, nothing coming, you're not making money, nothing, just like an hobby, You understand? Then there's no reason for you to show up. But you are trying to build a business out of social media. Trust me, that's a big why enough, because if you don't show up, I mean, you're not going to make any money at all. Hope you get that. And another thing is, you want to maximize your creative eyes. There could be some particular day in the month, some particular season, when you just feel like, okay, I feel like shooting videos today, okay, I feel like creating graphics today. Such type of days, ensure you maximize it and suck out all of the creative juice out of yourself that day. I mean, if you feel like shooting videos, why not shoot 9 videos? Why not shoot 8 videos? Why not shoot 7 videos? If you feel like creating graphics, why not just create these graphics, so many of them in advance? Do you get it? So by creating that, you're beating, you're making up for the days when you're not feeling creative. You're not feeling creative, and okay, and that would really help you. And if you have watched to this particular point in time, thank you so much. Please click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video. Please share my videos. I'll see you in the next video.